My name is Eng Hua. I'm very free. I just stopped my work for 2 months ago. Make full use of this time to attend a course that I want to learn for a long time. In the past, I have been want to know more about investing. It's a time for me to go in depth into understand real investing so that I will not do wrong thing for the rest of my life. First time I attend a full day course from 9 to 6, is still so awake. Usually when we attend a course, I think for 2 hours later, our eyes is going to close. But in VIA, since like every minute is a lot of things can wake you up that you interest you. I think I learned a lot from VIA. First, I like the way the lesson being structured, very organized, systematic, and bring you through to get yourself very clear about investment. And the course lesson and the methodology is very simple to understand. I will recommend. I think I got a lot of friends around my age, be talking to them about investment. But I realized they are like me last time, do not understand the real investment, and we all make a lot of mistakes.